Hi all, I thought it was time for a change of channel art, and I got my favourite Russian designer on the case, Dmitry. So he actually produced this wonderful new channel art featuring many of the world chess champions. So respect to the history and culture of chess. And we've got a form pawn, of course, over here, and me on the right. I find it kind of amusing. It's got quite a lot of interesting elements. And if you do somehow, I don't know how to actually see the full size, what device you'd use, you'd get an even bigger view of the scenery. So this is just the adaptation for a desktop here. There's one for a mobile. So visit Dmitry. I've given him a link here. I just want to plug him, actually. I'm so grateful to him. So you can visit him there at https://creozavr.art. So he's a creative illustrator, character designer, and animator. He's a freelancer. So check him out here. He's got information about himself, about hiring him, etc. Really cool geezer. Thank you so much, Dmitry. I'm hoping some chess organizations in particular will hire you, because you've definitely got also a passion for chess as well as art. That big intersection is so powerful, makes you much more valuable in my view as a chess artist as well, although you've got some fantastic designs on all sorts of stuff. So I think you're really a passionate designer, and I really love this artwork. I hope you on the channel like it as well. I've set out a poll on the community tab of the Kingscrusher channel if you want to vote in the poll on it or leave your comments. So I really like it anyway. I think it's great fun to spice things up. So please leave me any comments, questions, likes, subscribes for the channel. Always welcome, of course. And I hope you guys are also following TSEC. There's been some exciting new games there at TSEC Chess to check out. So I'll be trying to get a new exciting game later on today, but I thought I should quickly plug my fantastic artist here. So okay, thanks very much.